Hi, let's see how you can fix this error. Please close AceBase before starting the game. This is a launcher error which can be caused by some problems and we are going to fix those problems, but first you need to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is to go to this path or location and you will find this file here. First backup this file and then change its name like this and allow your system to change this name. Press window button and type cmd and first type this command delete ace game and click enter. Then type this command and after it you need to type this command and lastly apply this one. And once all the commands are executed, you need to restart the system and after restarting you need to clean boot it. First type the system configuration and go to the services and first of all hide all the Microsoft services and then you need to click the disable all. Here it is grayed out because I have already done it. So you just need to click disable all and click OK, and after it restart your system and you are good to go. That's all you need to do to fix this error. And don't forget to like the video if this video helped you and also subscribe the channel. Bye.